Fine-tuning the sound on your JBL Bar 5 Multibeam can dramatically improve your listening experience whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming music. The soundbar includes adjustable bass and treble settings that allow you to customize how deep the low frequencies feel and how clear the high frequencies sound. By balancing these two elements, you can create a richer audio profile that matches your room environment and personal preference. The adjustment process is simple and can be done directly using the soundbar remote. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the soundbar and press the settings or sound button on the remote control. Step 2. Press the bass button and use the volume controls to increase or decrease the bass level. Step 3. Press the treble button to adjust the clarity of high-frequency sounds. Step 4. Play music or a movie scene and fine-tune both settings until the audio sounds balanced. Step 5. Leave the settings saved on the soundbar so your preferred bass and treble levels apply to future playback.